The old typewriter sat alone in the attic, a relic with keys yellowed by time and dust. Mark found it while searching for inspiration, its carriage return echoing like a distant scream. When he touched the first key, a chill crawled up his spine. Words poured out, not from his mind, but through his fingers. He sits alone at midnight, unaware of the eyes watching from the gloom. Mark jerked back. The words described him right then, perfectly. He tried to stop, but his hands slammed down, possessed. The story continued, each line more detailed, more frantic. He hears footsteps behind him, slow and deliberate. Mark froze. The attic floor creaked. He spun around. Nothing but shadows. His hands kept typing. He turns too late. Cold hands close around his throat. His breath hitched. The air thickened, icy fingers squeezing his neck. He tried to scream, but only the clack of keys answered. His vision blurred. The final words appeared as his world faded. His story ends with a whisper, never to be told. The typewriter's keys stilled. In the attic's silence, only the faintest gasp lingered.